Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Money Tuesday. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and let's get right into this video. Today I'm going to be doing a simple gel polish nail design using Madam Glam gel polishes, and if you'd like to purchase some of these gel polishes, I will have a code for 30% off and it will be in the description below. So I used Revel nail push dip powder on my nails. I'm going to be applying the gel polish over the dip powder nails. I'm placing the three colors on my nail palette for easier access. I'll also be using my Macart detail brush. On my index nail, I'm going to be doing a French nail using the pastel green gel polish. I like to start a little higher on the nail than I'm supposed to. I don't start exactly where I want the curve to be. This gives me more time to practice getting a nice curve. So I start higher on the nail and gradually go down the nail to where I want the French curve to be. Then I flash cured for 5 seconds. I did the same for my pinky nail. On the ring and middle nail, I wanted to do a swirl design using the blue and purple gel polish. I flash cured each color for 5 seconds before doing the other color. When I was completed, I cured for 30 seconds. So I'll let you guys watch my gel polish application and I'll be back to top coat the nails. When I was completed, I top coated the nails and cured for 30 seconds. So let me know what you guys think of this simple gel polish manicure I did. And if you'd like to purchase any products from Madam Glam, use my code which will be listed below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys!